I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast. Happy Tuesday to you. Beautiful day outside. Abundant sunshine. Temperatures mild, but not too hot. And again, not that muggy as well. And that's going to be really the theme for much of this week. A live look as we record this at about 2:45 on our Tuesday afternoon. This is in Galesburg. Mostly sunny conditions. You can see the winds coming out of the north. This is pointing west. Let's head over to Uptown Normal, our Cook's Auto Body Cam, and everything looking very pleasant as well, with plenty of sunshine again, and a little breezy, but still a very nice, comfortable breeze. Head over to Pontiac on our Lynn Chevrolet Buick Cam, and again, looking very pretty. And there's our Legionnaire Cam, downtown Peoria. Everything looking very, very nice. Highs yesterday were in the low 80s, but humidity was way up there. Now we've fallen back about 5 to 10 degrees across much of the northern portion of the state. So some relief from the heat that we had this weekend. Again, high pressure and control, some showers out west into the central plains and northern Texas. That's about it. A lot of dry air in place for us. So a lot of those clouds and the showers, they're trying to progress eastward, starting to fall apart as they run into that drier air. 75 in Peoria is the 2:45 temperature, 75 in Bloomington, 74 in Galesburg, 76 Macomb, and 82 right now in Havana. Very pleasant temperatures across the state. 76 in Chicago, 80 in St. Louis, 72 in Des Moines, and 79 in Kansas City. Dew points, not bad. Yesterday we were in the mid-60s, so it felt a little more muggy. Now we're below that 60-degree level, so a lot more comfortable out there. Drier air, low 40s, so that is very, very pleasant. In fact, much of the morning we were spending in the upper 30s. That's extremely dry. Very quiet on the watch and warning map. There is a severe thunderstorm watch box in northern Texas. Also, it looks like the northeastern corner of New Mexico, parts of the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma, and southeastern Colorado. That's really only severe weather that's going on. We mentioned this yesterday. The drought continues north of the river, considered to be in an abnormally dry state. If you're south of the river, you are considered to be in a moderate drought, and no changes in the models over the last 24 hours, over the 5-day outlook. No chance for rain over the next 2 weeks. An inch if we're lucky, where we should be getting around 1.5 inches to maybe 1 3/4 inches. So still looking very bleak on the rainfall front. And keep in mind, since April 1st, we're running at a deficit of around 5 to 5.5 inches area-wide. So we are in desperate need of some rain, especially since most of the crop is now in the ground. High pressure continues to move off towards the east. We will start to slowly warm up as we progress through this work week. Now, once we head into Friday, you see that warm front that moves on through. Could bring a few clouds, it looks like Friday night, or Thursday night rather, and will open the doors up for warmer air to come in for the weekend. So this is much like what we had last weekend. Here's the numbers: 79 for Wednesday, 83 Thursday, 88 on Friday, and we should be getting in the low 90s both Saturday and Father's Day on Sunday. The rain chances, they look promising out west right now. This is the end of the loop on Thursday evening, but a lot of the models are making this dry up. I don't know if we're going to be quite as muggy, so not as much moisture in the air for the weekend. It will be hot, but maybe not quite as humid, so a drier heat for the weekend, and those rain chances probably dissolve as they get a little bit closer to us, unfortunately. Again, here's the wind flow map, keeping everything nice and refreshingly cool through the overnight tonight. Same thing for tomorrow as well. The winds will start to shift, it looks like, late tomorrow night, and then heading into Thursday. They'll eventually come out of the east and then southeast by Thursday afternoon, and then by Friday, south-southeast to a southerly flow will bring in that warmer air across the region. Again, the long-range pattern keeping us nice and cool as we head through the middle portions of the work week. The heat starts to build out towards the west. Boy, long-range models over the next 2 weeks really baking the southwest and the south-central plains, with temperatures easily in the century mark. But for now, it looks like it keeps that heat down to our south and west, not building up towards the Midwest. But again, long-range models are also keeping us extremely dry, so there's a good and bad side to both of them. All right, that'll do it for this weather webcast on this Tuesday afternoon, rather. We'll have updates on our blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us on WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Tuesday.